How to fix GCash permission requests. So if you are seeing permission request error on your GCash app, you are trying to open the app and you're seeing this permission request right here, just like this, and the app suddenly closed by itself like this, then you need to watch this video in order to understand how to fix it. You're welcome to Appfixandearn channel. So looking right here on the screen is my GCash app. Whenever I click on it, it shows this permissions request. So in order for me to actually fix this problem, this is what you need to do. Go to your phone settings like this. So right here in your phone settings, you just need to go ahead and scroll and click on apps. Now go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner like this. Then go ahead and search for GCash. Once you do that, looking right here, you can see GCash. Clicking on it like this, you need to go ahead and click on this place here where you can see permissions. You can see permissions right here. Once you do that, go ahead and allow all the permission. Allow microphone, the music, allow the notification of the app, allow photos and videos. Once all this is done, you can now go ahead and clear any other app you have on your background. Then go to the app. So if you go back to the app like this, yet you are still seeing that error message, this is what you can do next. You simply need to go back to your phone settings like this. Go ahead and scroll and look for where you can see apps. Click on the search button and search for GCash. Click on it like this. Now go ahead and click on storage. Click on clear cache and also click on clear data. So after clearing the app data and app cache, you still need to come right here and click on permission and allow all permissions of the app. Then you need to go back to the app like this and open it. So following this step, just as the way I've shown on this video, is actually going to help you to fix this problem. Now, one of the reasons why you might not be able to fix this problem on your own end might be because of your location or your region. You should actually note that the GCash app is primarily designed for the Philippines, and it also works for selected countries like USA, UK, Italy, Australia, Japan, and the rest of them. If your country is not on this list, this GCash might not actually work out for you. But following the steps on this video is actually going to help you to fix this issue if this is the error message you are seeing on yours. Alright, you've come to the very end of this video. Now don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.